wash timer controller got damaged. See, it's not working. So Papa had developed a new system for the wash timer. Let's see how it works. So first, just plug in the system.
At the right side of the system would be the stop, timer, and start buttons. At the left side would be the minute indicators. Options are 5 minutes, 10 minutes, 20 minutes, and 30 minutes. Let's try 30 minutes. Just keep on pressing the timer button until you reach your option. Your option should be lighted. So let's try. The 30-minute indicator is already lighted. Then press start button. It's working. Now if you want to stop, then just press the stop button.